Alright, we're done packing. Ready to go home, though we're not going yet.
I'd like to do something.
What?
You know what? I don't have any idea.
What up, guys? I was dropping another dookie, and now the toilet is full of diarrhea. But anyway, let us go ride the London Eye.
Yay, lingo. That sounds like a fracking awesome idea.
Sure does. But I'll have to go undercover again. Oh, it's room service.
Quick. Hide under the bed, do it.
Hi, here is what you ordered. 2 croissants, half a ham and cheese panini, meatballs, and a glass of orange juice.
Alright. Thank you. Okay, Thunderbolt. He's gone now.
Phew.
Everybody dig in.
Hey, what do you say? Hasta la vista, you filthy light pole. Well, what are we waiting for?
Let's go.
That's strange. I could have sworn that was the perpetrator of the murder in the cafe at this hotel. But I guess not. He doesn't match the pic in the papes.
This is a good CS8 calling for an update. What have you seen, Carts?
Well, I've seen what appears to be a prototype Thunderbolt with a set of ice cream cones, an old piece of rotten wood, a giant toilet with some weird paint job, and a purple megaphone. But I haven't seen the yellow Thunderbolt 1000T that we're after yet.
Well, okay. Be sure to keep your eyes peeled, Carts.
They're peeled like a banana, CS8.
Whoa. Look. It's a tritone gent siren.
Hello there, old chaps.
Hi there, gents. I've read a bit about you. You're a pretty cool siren.
Well, that's nice. Anyways, did you hear about the murder at the Claxon Thames Hotel?
Oh. Yeah.
You okay? You seem a little anxious.
Oh, I'm fine. Hannah. Just a little nervous about the London Eye.
Oh, okay. That's understandable. Have a great day.
There's the beast. Whoa, and wow.
Hi, and welcome to the London Eye. How many of you will be riding today?
All 5 of us.
Alright, that will be £124. Thank you. Enjoy the ride, and the views.
Wow. Holy This is absolutely breathtaking.
This is terrific. That was incredible.
IKR, that was one of the greatest experiences in my entire life. A bird just on me.
I think you may have bigger problems than that.
Oh jeez, my disguise. Hi.
Oh my god. It was him the whole time.
Oh crap. Oh no, the coppers are after me.
That siren wanted for murder at the Claxon Thames is being chased by the coppers, with some of his friends included. GP3, are you seeing this?
Yes I am, I bet he's 5-star wanted.
What do you think this is? GTA?
There's no way we can outrun him. They are too fast.
Maybe, but they can't catch us if we're in the air.
Hold in tight.
Holy cramoly, the perp just took off into the air like a missile. This is unbelievable.
How long until it bomb explodes?
You mean, it's like, oh, about 5 seconds.
Done it, they got away.
Okay, I'll go get our bags, then we'll go. Now we can go, but I'll have to hide myself, so I'll cram myself in a suitcase and you can haul me out and put me in the cargo area in the airport.
Okay.
Oh god. I feel sick.
Okay, we made it this time. Hang on. I gotta book the tickets. Okay, let's go. Okay, our flight will be at gate 2.
ASC Airlines Flight to E62, United States of America, from Gate 2. Passengers for this flight, please proceed immediately to Gate 2.
Oh, we gotta go. Hang on. I'm gonna go get a castings bar and a doctor and a trader from that vending machine over there.
Hey, what do you say?
What the heck? I didn't even burp yet.
I knew it was coming. K Model 120. Say, where's Thunderbolt been the last few days?
I don't know. Last time I walked by his house, I heard some weird sounds I won't go into detail about coming from his garage.
Okay. No.
Official merch store and check out my merch.
Feeling that we're meant to be together.
With super duper Roger singing lyrics and say sure.
Perfect. I kinda wish I'm Thunderbolt Mom, but this is good too.
Boy, that vacation was a roller coaster.
It sure was. Hey Thunderbolt. Where were you? I was in London, England with a few friends. Cool. Except what? Nothing. I don't wanna talk about it.
Hello everyone, I'm Castle Castings.
And gents. This is the end of the Tornado Siren Madness movie, The London Trip. We hope you enjoyed it. Broken Solar Panel had a lot of fun making this multi-parter, and the Big Train Guy had a lot of fun scripting it.
Thanks for watching, and have a good day or night.